I have said it once and I will say it again. Your dining experiences will be some of the best you have on your Walt Disney World trip. So in this video, I am showing you 2 different ways to make Disney dining reservations in the My Disney Experience app on your phone, including one that not many people know about. That's the story this week. Welcome back to the Bear's Den. Like I said, we are walking through 2 ways to make a Disney dining reservation on your phone through the My Disney Experience app. So first, you want to grab your phone and open up the My Disney Experience app. Once you're on the home page, just click the plus icon in the middle of the navigation bar at the bottom of the page. Next, click Dining Availability, and this will start the reservation process. Here, you want to go ahead and put in your party size for the specific reservation you are making that day, so be sure you know how many people will be going with you to the reservation you're looking to make. After you select your party size, the calendar will appear. Select the date that you're looking to make the reservation on, and this will open up the ability to select the time that you want to make the reservation for. You can either select a general time like breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner, or you can scroll to the right and select the exact time that you want to make the reservation around. Now, if I just choose lunch, then we get a whole bunch of restaurant options that come up with different times, and I can scroll through those and make my choice from there. But let's say I wanted to eat lunch in a specific place, for example, Disney's Hollywood Studios. If I click the filter icon in the bottom right corner, I can then choose different areas of Walt Disney World to filter my selections down to. Once you find which restaurant you want to dine at, just select one of the times available. You are probably going to be asked to log into your My Disney Experience account again, and your contact information should autofill. Each reservation through the My Disney Experience app needs a credit card guarantee, and so you may need to add a payment method if you have not connected your credit card already. If you already have multiple payment methods connected, you can select the one you want to use for the guarantee here. This page is also where you will input if anyone in your party has any food allergies. This will let the restaurant know ahead of time so that they can be set up for you when you arrive to accommodate those allergies. Finally, agree to the terms and book the reservation. Now, that is the first way to make dining reservations at Walt Disney World, but like I said, it's not the only way to make dining reservations, and it's definitely not the best way, in my opinion, to find those hard-to-get reservations for the restaurants at the top of your must-do list. My favorite way to get those must-do restaurant reservations is actually to do it by searching for the specific restaurant. Before I get into exactly how to do that, if you're looking for more tips just like these, I am going to be launching a Walt Disney World exclusive community later this year. If you want to get on that launch list, you can click the link that is in the description, and just for signing up today, you're actually going to get my 3-pack of ultimate dining planning guides. These are going to help you to plan your perfect experience around the dining reservations that you're making for your next Walt Disney World trip. And signing up today will get you early access to that exclusive Walt Disney World community launching later this year. But to get back to making those dining reservations, go ahead and open up the My Disney Experience app again, but instead of clicking the plus icon on the navigation bar, we are going to select the magnifying glass to search the entire app. From here, search for the restaurant you want to make a reservation for. Once that restaurant comes up in search, select it, and then you'll see these options for help like Find on Map, Get Directions, or Join Walk-Up List. Scroll to the right and select Reserve Dining. From there, the process is the same as before, but it is for this specific restaurant. This is going to save you time when you are booking and help you to be able to find availability for those hard to get restaurants much easier. If you want my secrets to grabbing reservations for some of the best restaurants in Walt Disney World, go ahead and click the video on the screen right now. And remember, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.